Hi, I'm Miss Smith and I teach elementary English. I use a variety of teaching methods in order to engage students in the classroom. All students learn differently, so I think it's important to implement a variety of learning experiences in order to meet the individual needs of students. For students that are more visual or auditory learners, I tend to include a lot of media, such as videos, images, music, or even sound bites that exemplify the concepts that we're learning. I try to incorporate a lot of games and activities as well. This not only engages students, but also makes learning fun and exciting. I also try to incorporate topics that students are most interested in. That way, their learning can be meaningful. Reading is such an important skill for children. It helps them to improve their communication skills and serves as a gateway for them to learn new and interesting things about the world around them. In order to inspire children to love reading, I bring in a variety of texts into the classroom, such as novels, short stories, poems, or even newspaper and magazine articles. Moreover, I bring in books from different genres and about different topics in order to spark students' interest in reading. I also incorporate a lot of games and interactive activities that allow students the opportunity to read and make learning more fun, such as read alouds, literature circles, and readers' theater. Writing is an essential skill, however, it requires practice, and so for this reason, I try to provide students with the chance each class to practice writing, individually and collaboratively as a class. I incorporate fill in the blank activities, word games, and collaborative storytelling. In this way, students can work together to be creative and write stories, develop their grammar and vocabulary skills, and improve their overall written communication. Students are also given the opportunity to practice writing for different purposes and different audiences so that they can understand the importance of writing and learn to love it.